Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the top 10 vitamins that can help repair your nerves. Remember, a balanced diet is crucial for your overall health, and these nutrients can contribute to improved nerve function. 1. Vitamin B1. Also known as thiamine, vitamin B1 supports nerve signaling throughout the body. It's found in whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. 2. Vitamin B6. This vitamin plays a role in maintaining nervous system health and is found in fish, poultry, nuts, and legumes. 3. Vitamin B12. Essential for maintaining nerve health and function, it's found in meat, fish, poultry, dairy products, and eggs. 4. Folic acid. A B vitamin that helps form DNA and is vital for nerve function. It's present in leafy greens, legumes, whole grains, citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. 5. Vitamin C. This antioxidant vitamin supports the growth of nerve tissues by promoting collagen production. It's present in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. 6. Vitamin E. An antioxidant that helps protect nerves from damage. It's found in vegetable oils like olive oil or sunflower oil, nuts like almonds or peanuts, seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, whole grains like brown rice or wheat bread, some vegetables like spinach or broccoli. 7. Biotin, a B vitamin that plays a role in maintaining healthy nerves. It's found in egg yolks and whole grains like brown rice or oatmeal. 8. Niacin vitamin B3 supports nerve function by promoting the formation of myelin sheath around nerves. It's present in chicken breast meat, Korean chicken, fish, salmon, eggs. 9. Zinc, an essential mineral that supports brain health by promoting neurotransmitter function. It's found in oysters American, beef steak, cashews, nuts. 10. Pantothenic acid vitamin B5 aids in hormone production, which helps maintain nervous system health. It's found in beef liver Korean, chicken breast meat American, salmon eggs Japanese. We all know how addictive gaming can be when you get hooked on a particular game. Those endless hours spent trying to level up or complete a mission can really take their toll on your body and mind. But here's an amazing solution I found. Taking creatine supplements while gaming has had an incredibly positive impact on my energy levels during those intense gaming sessions. Nowadays, when I sit down with my controller for an extended gaming session at my new home office, set up with my new desk chair from Secret Lab Soho Blue 3 Edition Literate gaming chair with headrest and lumbar support, I can tell you straight away that I feel so much more energized throughout the entire gaming session. This is all thanks to the wonderful effect of creatine on our muscles. It helps them produce more energy during high-intensity periods of activity such as intense gaming sessions where adenosine triphosphate stores are depleted quickly due to continuous muscle contractions from pressing buttons on the controller. Continual